we are working with different data sets such as vector data and raster data, there are instances that we need to convert a raster data set into a categorical vector data set. So in this video, I am going to show you how we can use functions in inbuilt function in Google Earth Engine to convert a raster data set into vector data. So for this example, I am using a code that we have created about a few videos back. So in here we have imported Sri Lankan political boundary from the international boundary data set, and again we used to that particular geographical boundary of Sri Lanka to clip the percentage tree cover from the dataset, Modis dataset, and then we define the arbitrary thresholds to the 25, 50% and 75, and we are going to use this particular thresholds to categorize the raster dataset, and we are going to apply that threshold to convert the raster dataset into vector. So first of all, we have to create a vector datasets, and then we can use the variable zones, and we have to add the bands of forest cover, and then we can call the reduce to vectors function, and then we have to give the relevant geometries or the arguments, and the first argument is that we have to provide the geometry that we are considering, and then we have to give specify the coordinate reference system. So in here we are specifying the coordinate reference system as the same coordinate system of forest cover dataset. And in the final variable is the reducer. So we'll use the mean value as the reducer for this conversion. And finally we can add the converted vector dataset as a vector. And in the meantime, we have to provide a mask if we need to mask out the data sets that is not among the threshold values. And let's run the program. And we are getting an error. So the problem is that I haven't specified the comma here. Let's run the program again. So now you can see the vector data set is gradually loading into the Google Map. So in this way we can conduct a vector to raster conversion.